Designer. I did not know anything about medical, medicine, whatever. 13 years later, we have a wellness facility. Cancer is a word that we can fight because of programs like Base Camp, because of things that we're doing with Move Labs and Maxine Roby. We're addressing things that are disorders that we can actually put back in order, diseases that we can put back at ease. These are the things, the new mindset that this world is about to overcome. And people like you are going to support us all day long. Thank you. So why are we holding these jerseys? Well, number one, black and white. Make sense? So for tonight, I don't care what team you guys like. Tonight, you guys are all going to be Raiders fans, right? Because of black and white. Come on. Give it up for the Raiders! And with that said, my man Nickell Robey-Coleman of the LA Raiders is here. We're going to auction these off. He's going to sign them in person while they're taking a video of you. So these are going to go well. This is the first time ever that we actually have a video being taken by someone signing the jersey, not signed already. So you guys know this is real by the man himself, Nickell Robey-Coleman.
Hey guys, hope everybody having a great night. My why to the Maxine Roby Foundation. The foundation is named after my mother's name. My mom died in my arms when I was 17 years old from a massive heart attack. And so what I do is I help kids with EKGs, ECGs all around the world and basically detect any health problems that they have. And I tell their parents take them to the doctor, all that good stuff. But that's my why. I hope everybody's having a great night. Thank you. Thank Base Camp for everything. And Heisman, that's my boy. And so, everybody enjoy your night. Love you guys. God bless.
Thank you guys. Peace. Have a good night.
All right, once again, give it up for Joel with Move Labs. Make some noise out there. Come on, give it up. And now, our returning main sponsor, Tomo Marjovanic with Aspire Rejuvenation Clinic. Please put your hands together for him.
He was close to the last name. Marjanovic. Tomo Marjanovic. How you guys doing? Everybody looks beautiful in black and white tonight, so thank you guys all for coming. I am the founder and owner of Aspire Rejuvenation Clinic. We are a wellness clinic that is working to prevent illness as everybody ages. This is what we do. So we are checking people's blood work at an early age. We are getting people optimized for the later years of life so we can keep you healthier and well.